Okay, I'm just doing a little bit of programming for the Allen Bradley 1100 PLC using RS Logic's MicroStarter Lite. Now, there's an interesting option to create edits and test them and accept those edits whilst remaining in run mode. And I think in the real world, this is handy for testing some code with a PLC that you can't take out of service. You can't switch the PC to program mode because it will interrupt whatever it's doing. So, for example, at the moment it's in remote run, and I'll just prove that by toggling one of these switches, and you can see the green LEDs turning on and off. And the other one is too. So if I added inserted a rung in here, just to illustrate, and I can go put in an examine if closed, and I'll just give that input number 0-2 /2 test input number 3, because of course it's counting from 0, and then I'll put on an output energize command here. Very simple coding. Double click on it, output :0/2, and test output 3. So I've added this here. Now what I can do is I can right click on there. I just got to remember, I've only done this once before, so I've got to just try and remember how to do this. Okay. Test edits. Accept rung edits. Right, now test edits. And that allows me to now test that bit of code. So I throw my toggle switch off. Oh, there's no connection, hardwire connection to that switch, that's fine. And yeah, that's what it is. So if it's off, it turns that one on. When it's on, it turns that one off. So that's working. So I'm still in the run state, and then I can right click on there and assemble edits, which means it adds that rung to part of the assembler code, and that's now on the PLC as part of the code. I'll just might save that actually now. So it's a pretty interesting way of testing code without constantly switching out of run mode into program mode.